Weird flex. I didn't have acne as a teenager. Adult acne was like, hey Kara, coming for you, girl. Hi guys, welcome back to Whimsy Soul and my Saw on Social series where I test out the products I see in ads and on social media and I spill the tea on them for you. Today I'm super excited to be talking about Hers skincare, particularly the acne treatment. Partnered with For Hers for this video, which I'm super pumped about because they are HQ'd here in San Francisco and I love supporting my local companies. Because I'm partnering with them, they're offering my viewers a 90-day risk-free money-back guarantee with my link only, so I've dropped that below if you want to try it out. All right, let's dig into this video. So real quickly, what is For Hers skincare acne treatment? Why am I using it? What's the deal with this? I've been using For Hers acne treatment to manage my adult acne, which is super fun. That's one thing nobody tells you about being a grown-up is once you get through high school, you're just gonna keep getting acne. Weird flex. I didn't have acne as a teenager. Not really. I would have the occasional zit here and there. I'm not sure why, but I never had that like traditional full-blown like acne monster face that a lot of like teens have. It was something I always really prided myself on. I always thought like, whew, you made it. You're not gonna have to deal with acne. Like, thank you, skin gods. And life got stressful and I started drinking more wine with friends and you know, I'd have a lot of hormonal shifts. Adult acne was like, hey Kara, coming for you, girl. As someone who didn't have the practice as a teenager for like managing zits and breakouts, it took me a really long time to figure out that I need a proactive treatment versus a reactive. So I have like zit creams and like pimple patches and stuff like that. But what I love about For Hers is it's like a preventative treatment. So I use this every single night in my routine now. I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I'm already seeing a difference. It's just like a proactive treatment. It's kind of like deodorant. You wouldn't put that on after you're all stanky expecting it to work as well. In a nutshell, that is what For Hers skincare acne treatment is all about. But there's a lot of things that make this super different than some of the other acne treatments that are out there. And that's what I'm going to talk about today. Overall, what makes this super different is there's 0 doctor office visits required, which I'm thrilled about for a lot of reasons. I hate going to the doctor. It's not a phobia, I just like hate that I'm wasting my time. That's why I like how progressive For Hers is because you get matched with the doctor, you fill out this survey, it's very detailed, it's like your standard doctor fare, they get to know you, all the medications you're taking, and then they match you with a real doctor who then can prescribe you the appropriate dosage. Another reason I don't like going into the doctor is I just have the fear that they're never going to believe me or take me seriously. Usually I tend to break out when I have a lot of projects happening and I'm like stressed, or I go a little too ham on the wine night with the girls and next morning I'll wake up and I'll be like, boom, hey Kara. It always seems to know when I'm filming YouTube videos, but sometimes it looks fine. That's why I've always just defaulted to reactive solutions in the past, and I've been always like a little nervous to try the proactive reasons because I didn't want to get like shamed or discredited by a doctor, but none of those vibes here with For Hers, which I really love. I love just being taken seriously and then they're like, yes, you need this, go be flawless. So overall, that's what really makes For Hers totally different and something I love. I also really like their branding. As I have chatted in other review videos, I am a sucker for good branding. I want it to look pretty on my bathroom shelf. Of course it matters if it actually works, and it does. So my doctor told me that I should be taking this 2 pumps every single night. So about 2 pumps. And then I usually start on my chin and my cheeks and then kind of work my way up. These are usually where my problem zones are, so I want to make sure that I get it nice and concentrated on those areas. And then I rub it all in. Boom. So I'm actually not wearing any makeup for this video other than some mascara and lip tint because I really wanted to show you my skin. I've been using this for a couple weeks. So as you can see, I have like a couple acne scars that are starting to fade, which is really nice. Here's like a before video that I took like a week ago. Now here's the after video, which I think is great. This uses tretinoin. I think I said that correctly. So tretinoid is a derivative of vitamin A, which is like a beast at helping to speed up and clear out your cell regeneration. So basically that means like a higher, faster turnover of new cells, which helps keep your pores clean, get those old cells out there so you can have like a new, fresh face. That's like what this primarily uses, along with some other ingredients. I mentioned I had childhood eczema and I still have sensitive skin and I haven't had any issues with this. That's something that I really liked and really stood out to me. So if you also have sensitive skin, this is gonna be great. I know some of the other acne treatments like go ham on like the intense chemicals and stuff, which makes my skin just really sad. So in every single review video, I like to go over the things I didn't like, and like very honestly, I can't really think of anything that I don't like about this. I've been using this consistently for a couple weeks now, and I think the results are great. That being said, I am curious what happens if I would forget to use this for a couple days. You know, in theory, one day when we're allowed outside of the house again, if I forget to pack this in my suitcase or something, I am curious if skipping it for a couple days is a super critical mistake or not. I remember from growing up, I had some friends who used like other like acne treatments that were really intense, and if they missed it for even one day, it was bad news bears. So that's my only concern, but hasn't been a problem yet because I'm not going anywhere and I haven't forgotten to take this. All right, that is it. I've really been enjoying the progress so far with my acne cream, especially these days where I'm really not putting much makeup on, if any, for days at a time because I'm just sitting on my couch quarantine. It's really nice to like have fresh, clean, healthy looking skin. If you are also on a hunt for a way to manage your adult acne, I highly recommend For Hers. I've actually ordered some of this for Robin, my husband, as well. He probably won't want me to tell you this, but he's actually never quite grown out of like the teenage pizza face stage of his life. I think he's gonna really benefit from his For Hims acne cream if he remembers to take it every day, which is like another hurdle to jump over. But that leads me into a little bit more about the For Hers company. It's not just For Hers, there's also For Hims. That might sound familiar. And they do more than just skincare, which is awesome. They're a really cool company that offers like a lot of stuff. So definitely go check them out. Just as a reminder, my viewers can get a risk-free 90-day money-back guarantee. That's a mouthful, with my link below. So make sure to click over on that if you're choosing to move forward and purchase this, which I highly recommend you do. Definitely make sure to use my link. And I think that's about it. I mean, you guys know the drill. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm on TikTok now, so hit me up over there. And I hope to see you around the Whimsy Soul community. Stay beautiful, friends.